First logo sound, ABC.
ABC World News Tonight with David Muir.
Second logo sound, Burger King.
Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame Grill taste with perfect toppers. I rule this day. Lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup, it's okay if I don't want that Impossible or bacon. Whopper, any Whopper, my way. You rule your season today at BK and be your way.
Third logo sound, CBS.
Lucy, I'm home.
Oh, Rob!
Come on down. It's gonna be legend. Wait for it. Dairy.
Welcome to the Late Show, everybody.
Bazinga.
For the win! Dynamite! NCIS!
This is exciting.
Thank you so much for watching!
Fourth logo sound, Denny's.
And stepping up to the plate, the return of Denny's Original Grand Slam, and it's only $5.99. Come enjoy the yummiest hit in breakfast for a price that knocks it out of the park. The Original Grand Slam is back for a limited time. Craving a home run breakfast? At Denny's, it's diner time.
Fifth logo sound, Evian. Sixth logo sound, Five Guys.
Ah, the age-old dilemma of which burger joint to go to. Well, Five Guys is unlimited peanuts, freshly cut fries made from select potatoes, fried in peanut oil. Juicy, succulent, freshly prepared patties, piled high with as many toppings as you want. Oh, yeah, look at that burger, that juiciness. So, what are you waiting for? Get over to Five Guys.
Burgers and fries.
Seventh logo sound, Google. Eighth logo sound, Hulu. Ninth logo sound, iFood.
Better food shop. Eu estudando no vestibular, ou na TV pra maratonar. Se a geladeira não tem nada lá, que vontade dá. Better food shop, better food shop. iFood.
10th logo sound, Jack in the Box.
So sorry, Jack, about the mess that Big Yellow and I made. Yeah, is there any way that I can make it up to you? Or?
Actually, you could help me promote my new $6 Big Deal meal.
You think I could be bought, you son of a... Hello. This is only showing in Japan, right?
11th logo sound, KCET. Twelfth logo sound, Lay's.
Out for some Lays and you face a test. Which tasty chip will be the best? Sour cream and onion, smoky barbecue. Cheddar, sour cream, salt and vinegar too. You sample them all, cause the crisp is so good on your lips. Yeah. You left your wallet at home, but now you got a new best friend. Lay's, life needs flavor.
13th logo sound, McDonald's. 14th logo sound, Namco. 15th logo sound. Opel.
Opel. Wir leben Autos.
16th logo sound. Peugeot. 17th logo sound. Kubo. 18th logo sound. Ragdoll Productions. 19th sound. Subway. 20th sound. Terratunes. 21st sound. Uber Eats.
Like ants, the people of the city scurried. Above them all, a dame, a bowl. Oh, Helen, you're narrating again. You stupid sausage. I'd love a sausage. Feeling peckish, Helen ordered her morning groceries. Oh, I've got to stop this. She narrated. Oh, sod it. Helen wondered what her neighbor looked like naked.
Excuse me?
Was that out loud? Helen picked up her groceries and wanted to die.
22nd sound. Village Roadshow Pictures. '23rd logo sound. Walkers.
I never thought I'd miss you half as much as I do. As soon as I wake up, every night, every day, I know that it's you I need to take the blues away. It must be love, love.
24th logo sound. Xbox. 25th sound. YouTube. And finally, the 26th logo sound. Zellers. The end.